Hello everyone, my name is TSW Tech, and right now guys, I'm going to be reviewing the Azio L70 gaming keyboard and the Lenrue laser gaming mouse. And we're going to start with the gaming mouse first, as it's already unboxed. And the reason why it's unboxed because last week I was trying to upload a video and it wouldn't upload, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to wait for the keyboard to come, which the keyboard actually came today, which I'm actually really happy about. And yeah, let's get started with with the mouse. So with this mouse, it comes with 6 programmable buttons. You see 1 right here, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, and then 6 right here. It has color breathing, so it's gonna just cycle through all the colors, which is red, pink, purple, and blue. And you can't like set it to say like you want to set it to blue, you can't set it to blue because they don't have a program where you can set it to blue and just like leave it as that, so it just cycles through all the colors. And this actually has metal weights on the bottom that they're removable, but I don't know how to remove them because the instructions never say how to remove them. So like once I find out how to remove them, I'm gonna show a video to tell you guys how to remove them. And the DPI, it can go all the way up to 3,200. And actually the cord is braided too. I don't know if you saw that, the cord is braided also. And yeah, that's really all it for the gaming mouse. So now let's turn to the gaming keyboard. I've been waiting to open this all day. Okay, so let me open it from this side. Oh well, I'm not trying to rip the box, no. And this actually comes in a pretty good shipping boxing quality. Okay, so here it is, the box right here. So now I'm gonna open it. Oh, there's some tape. Let me grab my knife to review the gaming mouse. And this keyboard comes with a palm rest, and everybody loves a palm rest because nobody loves a keyboard without a palm rest. So this keyboard comes with a palm rest. Take it out the thing. Try to close this real quick. Not close it, but there's the palm rest right there. I'm gonna put this over to the side real quick. And here's the keyboard. Keyboard is right here. And here's the instruction manual. This manual. And here's their little card. It says if you have any trouble, you can just send it back to them. And yeah, okay, that's it. So enough with the box now. Now we can get to the keyboard. Here's the keyboard. We're gonna take this off. Here's the keyboard. And this is mechanical too. The keyboard is mechanical. You have your volume knob right here, so in case you need to turn the volume, you can just turn it up right here. You got you got the light switch where you can turn on the colors. Well, I think it only has one color, cause they described it as saying it has one color. So we're gonna plug it in, and I'll be right back when I plugged it in. Okay guys, so now it's all plugged in, and I was actually correct. It only has one color, which is blue. So if you want a keyboard with different colors, this keyboard is not for you. And yeah, like I said, just turn it on. That's how you turn up the volume, right there. And to put on the wrist rest, you just put it under right here. You just put it right here. There's 2 holes, so you can't miss them. It's giving me a little trouble right here. Hold on. Yeah, I'm doing it right. Why isn't that want to go in? Okay. Did I get it? Okay, I got it. Hold on. Okay, I got it. Here you go. And also, this cleaver has kickstands. So it's not gonna stay flat like this. It has kickstands. There we go, kickstands. And now I'm gonna do a gaming test with this keyboard and the Lenrue gaming mouse. So let's turn it up to the computer. I'm gonna see it. Hopefully it's gonna be focused. Now I'm gonna just run. We're gonna run Fortnite. Why not? And I'll be right back when Fortnite is all loaded up so we can test out this keyboard. Okay guys, so now my Fortnite is finally loaded up. And now we're gonna test out the Azio gaming keyboard and the Lenrue gaming mouse. So now we're gonna load up into some solo. I'm not gonna really play. We're just gonna test out the response time and if the mouse is really high precision like they actually say it is. So, and guys, also guys, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. That is a huge milestone. Like, I never dreamed of getting 1,000 subscribers. So I thank you guys for all the support. And if you guys want some more videos like this, I ask you guys to hit that like button and also subscribe so you won't miss none of my content. And hit that little bell too. Okay, let's just load it up now. Making sure I get the keyboard, gaming mouse, and the screen. Even though the screen might not be really visible, but you'll still be able to see the character. So in Fortnite, it just takes forever to load. Alright, we're gonna test this out. So far, so good. The mouse is actually a high position. Like, I move it to the left, it goes left. Move to the right, it goes right. Move it up, down. I'm shooting with it. Yeah, this mouse is smooth. And the gaming keyboard is actually responding too. I can switch between that pretty easily. It can move pretty easily. Okay, so let's just hop right quick somewhere. So let's go here. Just because of the video, let's go here. Alright. Guys, also this keyboard is actually great with typing too. I'm gonna show you a little demonstration right after this little clip. Now you're gonna land. You need to find a gun. That's what you need to find, like a gun. Alright, there goes a gun. Find a gun. Alright, let's go over this person real quick. Hopefully I won't die. So where did he go? I actually don't know where he went. Okay. Okay, he's right here. Oh, he's right above me. Oh, he's really low. I got him. I already got him. And that's it, guys. So this will conclude my tutorial. Oh yeah, and let me show you the typing experience. So you can type freely. The controls feel really good. Like if you're a typing person, I honestly will recommend this keyboard to you. And the link should be down in the description down below if you want to buy this. And see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching this video.